Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Google Pixel 10 without password. Okay, but before we begin, I'll tell you a few things. Please only try to unlock your phone and no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. And also you need to remember and have that in mind that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and during the factory reset we will have to erase all of our data. I'm sorry, but that's the only way to unlock this device on our own. If you don't want to lose all of your data, you can always try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase and there look for help. Maybe they will do something which won't cause that all of your data will be erased. I'll show you this method. I mean the method when we do it on our own and we will lose the data. So as you can see, the screen lock is set and we cannot remember our password. And what to do now? We need to power off our device. I'll also show you that I can even lock it. It's locked for a minute. Now let's power off the device. Let's click the power button and volume up button and let's click on power off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the 2-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Okay, the fastboot menu appeared as a first. Now using the volume keys, we need to select recovery mode and now click the power button. Let's wait a little. Okay, now the Android logo appeared and it says no command. Now to move forward we need to hold the power button, and when we are holding it we need to click the volume up. Just like that. Now the recovery mode launched. Using the volume keys, select wipe data / factory reset and now click the power button. Now select factory data reset, click the power button, and now within a few seconds you can see that data wipe has been completed. Select reboot system now, click the power button, and now wait a few seconds until the phone turns on. And the next thing that we need to do is to set it up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.